Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV guys, and today I'm back with another video guys. And guys, in today's video we're gonna customize this CG125 to become a curve racer guys. So I got this thing from a customer to customize this bike to become a racer guys, and that's also my curve racer right there. If you want to watch how I build that bike, go down the description. You're gonna see the video gonna be in the description guys. And guys, if you are looking for a video to customize to build a curve racer, you are in the right video guys. So today I'm gonna show you how to do this step by step guys. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell so you're gonna be notified anytime I drop a video guys. So without further ado, let's get down to the video. Hello guys, this is Luben Johnson from Luben TV guys, and if you're new in my channel, this is what I do. I build bikes like BMX CUB, street CUB, trikes, cripple bike, dirt bike, go-kart, quad, and many kinds of bikes guys. So if you want to build bike like this, you want to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel guys. Okay guys, and today I chop off this bike like this. This is the level of the bike right now. We chop off the back and the frame, just chop off the frame, disfigure the front. Right now I'm gonna build it back on my own way to build it that racer level. So now we're gonna start building the back and the shape. We're gonna shape up the bike. It looks like that curve racer, right? So guys, that's what I'm trying to do right now guys. So let's get into the video guys. You can use any fender you want on the bike, like CG125 fender. You can use it customize anything, like any fender at all. You can use it, right? Or you wanna make the angle right there, you go like that. You go like that. That's it. Make it look very clean. So if you're doing stuff like this, you wanna do it look very clean. Okay guys, as you can see, I got this thing done, and this is the traffic light, and this is the ignition light. Look, the ignition switch, those lights, and it also shows from the meter like that. And we got the back danger also right there, and the traffic. Oh, that look pretty good guys. So guys, this is the bike, the CUB racer from my custom, as you can see, Luben custom. So guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, so that you're gonna be getting videos like this guys. So in this channel I teach you how to build things like this guys. So don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for videos like this guys. So peace.